everyone! Welcome back to Animated Ideas. I hope you're all ready because we're going to start with a quick and exciting game before our lesson. I'll show you 3 objects and you have to choose which one is a circle. Ready? Let's go! Here we go! Look carefully. A ball, a box, and a book. Which one do you think is round? Yes, the ball! Good job! Now, let's try another one. Which one looks round this time? Yummy choice! Yes, the pizza is round. Well done! Here's your last one. Look carefully. Which of these is round? The clock is round. You're amazing at this. Wow, you did great in our game. Did you notice something about the things we picked? The ball, the pizza, and the clock? They're all round in shape. Those round shapes are called circles. And today, we're going to explore what makes a circle special. We'll learn about its different parts and how to describe them. A circle is a round, flat shape. It doesn't have any corners or sides, just one continuous curved line all around. Let's explore the different parts of a circle and learn what makes it special. First, we have the center. The center is the middle point of the circle. Every part of the circle is the same distance from this point. The radius is a line that goes from the center of the circle to the edge. Every circle has many possible radii, all the same length. The diameter is longer than the radius. It's a line that passes through the center and touches both sides of the circle. See, the diameter is just 2 radii joined together. The circumference is the distance around the circle. It's like the border or the edge that goes all the way around. Try tracing the edge of a plate or a cup. That's the circumference. Circles are all around us. In clocks, pizzas, plates, and even in wheels. Now that you know the parts of a circle, you can start spotting them everywhere you go. Let's test your understanding. I'll show you a circle and you tell me what part is highlighted. Ready? What do we call the point at the very center of the circle? It's called the center. That's right, the center is the exact middle of the circle. Great! Now let's look at another part of the circle. Here's a line that goes from the center all the way to the edge. What's this line called? It's the radius. The radius helps us measure how far the edge is from the center. You got it! Let's move on to the next one. Now, look at this line. It goes right through the center and touches both sides of the circle. What about this one? It's the diameter! The diameter is twice as long as the radius. Nice work! Let's check out one more. And finally, what do we call the distance all the way around the circle? That's the circumference. The circumference is like the circle's boundary. It goes all the way around. Fantastic job, everyone! You're now circle experts. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Today, you learned that a circle is a round shape with no corners or sides. You also learned about its parts: the center, radius, diameter, and circumference. Keep practicing by finding circles around you. Keep the fun going. Download free worksheets and handouts that go with this lesson. Perfect for extra practice at home or in class. Just click the link in the description box below to get your free materials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative lessons, fun activities, and free learning materials. See you in the next video, where learning comes alive with animated ideas.